Ever wondered why some people have naturally glowing skin, even without expensive skincare products? Here's a secret most people ignore. Your skin is a reflection of what you eat. You can apply the best creams, serums, and treatments, but if your body isn't getting the right nutrients from inside, your skin will never truly glow. But there is good news. You don't need complicated diets or expensive products. Just 4 simple foods or juices, if taken daily, can help improve your skin health, hydration, and natural glow. In today's video, we're going to explore these powerful options, and more importantly, how they actually work inside your body. Let's begin. Before we talk about the foods, let's understand something important. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It constantly repairs itself, fights damage, and protects you from the environment. But for all of this, it needs proper nutrients like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Without these, your skin may become dull, dry, prone to acne, and faster aging. So instead of only focusing on skincare products, we need to support the skin from inside. Let's start with the first powerful option, carrot juice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a key role in skin repair, reducing dryness and improving skin tone. It also helps protect your skin from damage caused by sunlight and pollution. Regular intake of carrot juice may help your skin look smoother and more even. Drink a glass of fresh carrot juice in the morning, 3 to 4 times a week. Consistency is the key for desired results. Next, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These are rich in vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for glowing skin. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, skin firmness, and reducing dullness. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage. For a simple daily habit, start your day with warm lemon water or include oranges in your diet. This small change can support brighter, healthier skin over time. Now let's talk about green juices, especially those made with spinach, cucumber, or mint. These are packed with chlorophyll, iron, and hydrating minerals. They help detoxify the body and improve blood circulation, which directly affects how your skin looks. Better circulation means more oxygen to skin cells, natural glow, and reduced dullness. Cucumber also helps keep the skin hydrated from within. You can blend spinach, cucumber, and a little lemon for a simple daily green drink. Now here's something many people overlook: healthy fats. Foods like avocado, almonds, and walnuts are essential for skin health. They help maintain skin elasticity, prevent dryness, and support natural glow. Without enough healthy fats, skin can look dry and tired. Even a small handful of nuts daily can make a difference over time. Now let's quickly talk about some common mistakes. Drinking juices once in a while and expecting results. Ignoring water intake. Eating too much processed food and relying only on skincare products. Remember, glowing skin is built through daily habits, not quick fixes. So here's the key takeaway. You don't need dozens of products or complicated routines. Just a few simple foods like carrot juice, citrus fruits, green juices, and healthy fats can support your skin from within. Start small, pick 1 or 2, and make them part of your daily routine. Because real glow doesn't come from outside, it starts from within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, which of these will you start adding to your daily routine? Thank you for watching.